How to proper use of N-95 mask. First step. Position the respirator in the hands with the nose piece at the fingertips. Second step. Cup the respirator in the hand, letting the headbands dangle below your hand. Keep the nose piece up and the respirator beneath your chin. Third step. Pull the top strap over the head and allow it to rest at the top back. Similarly, pull the bottom strap and place it below the ears and around the neck. Strap should not be crisscross. Fourth step. Place the fingertips from the both hands at the top of the metal nose clip. Slide the fingertips down both sides of the metal strip so that it gets molded to the shape of your nose. To ensure the satisfactory fit, perform your seal check. Thank you.